Hello, this is Tim Bryce. I wanted to go over a quick tool that we've come up with here that you can use to kind of assess your threat for lightning. It's called our Lightning Dashboard. And when it first loads, the first three tabs that you'll notice kind of give a thunderstorm outlook for the next 3 days. So if you see any color on this screen, that means there's a chance for thunderstorms. So you got day 1, day 2, and day 3. So like I said, anytime you see any green on it, that means there's a chance for thunderstorms. And the brighter the colors, because you can see they go dark green, yellow, orange, red, and then kind of a pink, that means a better chance for severe weather. But this, you can just use it. If you see any colors on here, that means that you got a chance for thunderstorms. Then the next thing to look at in our tab number 4 is the chance for thunderstorms over the next 36 hours. So what you do here is you can just kind of run your cursor and just kind of go along here, and you can see the colors down here at the bottom are listed by the percentages. So that gray and that green color are kind of on the low end, 20 and 40%. You can just slide it along. Now this is in universal time, UTC time, Z time. Just subtract 6 hours from that, and that'll give you, during the summertime, what we call normal people time. So this at 6Z, this would be what it's at midnight. So this is what it is at like about 6 p.m. on Saturday in this example. Now the next tab would be number 5. It's our thunderstorm outlook. Kind of gives you what the chances of thunderstorms, or lightning of course, in the next basically 12 hours or so. So this would be the first one's the morning one, kind of late morning, early afternoon, and then afternoon and into the evening. And it specifically mentions the chances for thunder or lightning in this case. Number 6 is what we call our lightning cast. It's a neat little tool. It takes a look at the satellite, combines that with some artificial intelligence, and tries to predict what if a cloud's going to see lightning in the next 60 minutes. And in this case, we didn't have any over us directly, but up here in the Oklahoma Panhandle, by mousing over, you can see that this cloud here in the middle, it's thinking there's a 50% chance it's going to become lightning active in the next 30 minutes to an hour. So you can just kind of mouse over these when these clouds are developing. It comes in centered down here, but it usually you can just kind of mouse over and see what those percentages are. The next one is a little tricky. It's called the cloud phase. What you're looking for here, if you got these blue and green kind of colored clouds, those are clouds mostly made up of water. If you see the bright yellows and colors, those are clouds that are made of ice crystals. They may already be the top of thunderstorms that are making lightning, or they may be just high clouds. But if you see that transition, that kind of yellowish kind of color, that means that it's transitioning from kind of where everything's water to ice, and you need that ice to make that the lightning. So if you see one of these clouds beginning to make that transition, that's when you can say, maybe in the next 30 minutes to an hour, you're going to get thunderstorms out of that. Another neat tool that we have is called the Lightning Mapper. It's actually up in the satellite looking down, and it can see the lightning flashes. So it plots these with the clouds, so you can kind of track where the lightning has been over the last few hours. We still on tab number 9 got the old faithful radar. Doesn't show us lightning on here, but it does show you where the rain is falling and which direction it is moving. And finally, in tab number 10 here is a toolkit. If you have an outdoor venue, you can use this toolkit to fill out a simple form, and it will create a lightning action plan for your outdoor venue. So it's just a great tool to have. If you have any other questions, again, I've got a nice kind of write-up on all of these different things, so you can kind of see if you need to go back and do a quick review on what is that day cloud phase, what does the lightning flashes mean, things like that. So that's in there for you to review. So hope you enjoy the tool, and let us know if you like it or if you have any questions. Thank you, and have a great day.